Hello, hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener, and I'm up here. You can see I got my bags of Black Cow. I'm getting ready for my spring, garden. Now, um, this is 10 bags. They flat, but they are, let's see, I think they're 40-pound bags. I want to be clear about that. But let me show you what we're dealing with here, folks. A lot of these bags are, a lot of colors really bleached out on them. And this one here is you can see the dry rotted bag. I don't know what's happening here. I guess the sun's doing it or something. But I got 2, 3 bags up in here that's like that. This one here's got some holes in it. So I had to pull mainly from this side here. Grabbing the bags, they'll stay together because I don't want to get them in the truck. And then they start busting on me. Here's another one that's tearing right there. But this is what's left of this pallet. So all I want to do is get enough so that when I am doing my thing, I don't run out this year. I might get, let me see something here. I got 10 bags. I think this is going to be enough for right now. I'm not trying to load my vehicle up with too much weight. There it is, folks. Black Cow. And now, this is the last item I need for my garden this year. And then this year, I'm going to get a bag of this when I do come back, because what I'm going to do is compare this product here, Compost and Manure, Garden Pro. I'm going to compare that to the Black Cow, which um, I'll get a chance to see what it'll actually do, the difference. Okay. And then we have this here. This one of the products I had one time. I bought when I put in my fruit trees about 7 years ago, and I haven't bought it since. It has an awful smell to it, but it is a organic matter, sphagnum, peat moss, in existing soil. So I really didn't need this. I don't know why I bought it. I was just new to the game of gardening. I was kind of new about planting trees. I bought this stuff. $2.49 per bag. And then I got my Black Cow here. I think it's $4.98. I think it is. Wait a minute. Oh, look at it now. The price here is kind of falling down here. You see it's all down. Actually, that's when we turning it around, actually, because it was turned backwards. So that's it. Black Cow is coming home. I'm going to do the little calculator there. Add it up real quick. See how much I'm like to stay in budget. Because the whole thing about gardening is keeping costs down. So this is not busted. None of this is busted. I made sure that I grabbed the ones that had the better bags, because I can't carry these ones here with faded bags, information on them. Oh well, it's a good product. Just the bags are not in good shape.